Oh, we did it. Alright, so as you guys just saw, we got back, we got the engine lowered it in. This is a Gen 3 5.3. Along with it, we got an oil pan, most of the pistons and rods, but more than likely not going to be using those because they're all C's and there's only 6 of them. But we did get the cylinder heads as well. They are 862 heads. Great ones. Welcome back. Today, we're getting this thing ready to be pulled out. We've already done some of the work, forgot to film it. It sucks. But this is going to get scrapped. 5.3 is going to go in. Pretty sure the other footage is going to be there before this. Right now, we're about to chop off the existing exhaust because we're not going to use it anymore. Don't need that anymore. I don't remember disconnecting that O2.
I don't either. Quick release O2, I guess.
You don't need an O2 sensor. All right, guys, so we do have some more exciting stuff. We've got our first little run of parts in. Here we've got our intake manifold gaskets, exhaust manifold gasket, got a new crank bolt, got a clamp just cuz. We have all brand new header bolts, which is amazing. Now, first things first, we're gonna try to get this thing completely torn apart, send it off to the machine shop. We're gonna go ahead and get the block surface decked, the cylinders line honed. We're gonna have the crank polished up just because this thing's been sitting for a while. And then as far as the heads go, we're gonna disassemble them because we're not gonna be reusing the stock valve springs, retainers, none of that. So we're gonna disassemble the heads, send them off to the machine shop, have them decked and cleaned. The block is also getting cleaned as well. Now, as for these, I've only got 6 of them. I can't reuse these. Plus, they're oh well, that one's not seized. There's some of them that are seized. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order all new pistons and rods. Nothing too crazy, just stock stuff for now. So yeah, that's what we're doing with the engine currently. We still have to tear it completely down. But there will be updates along the way.